Hey guys, how have you been? It's been a while since the last time I posted a video, and there are reasons regarding to that. So I have a kind of challenge. I actually went through these periods. As you guys know, I have actually been creating this content using my phone, and somehow my phone screen went bad. It got broken and I took it for repair, and after repairing it, which took about a week plus, and after that I actually discovered that my phone has battery issues now. Like, you charge it now, in the next few hours it is down. Right now I'm just managing it to film this video just to make sure I stay up to date with you guys. So that is what it is. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into what we have today. Today we're going to be looking at numbers. Okay, we're going to be spelling out numbers in words. Yeah, a lot of you guys find it difficult to spell numbers in words, not in figures. Okay, I know you guys are familiar with figures, but most time we have challenges when it comes to writing it in words. So today we're going to be looking at that. Let's see. So I'm going to start from number 1 to 100 to million to billion and so on. I'm going to be teaching you a strategy you need to know anytime you want to write your figure, so that you can easily write your figure without mistakes. So are you ready? Let's go right into it. So the very first one I'm going to start with is ONE1. As we all know, we have ONE, ONE 1, with TWO 2. We are all familiar with this. THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, XIX 6. Okay, we have SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, and we have TEN 10. Now this is where we have two figures like this. Okay, remember, this is figure, this is word. Okay, when we are asked to write in figure, we are talking about this, and write in words, we are talking about this. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so these are single to this point. Now we have 11, 11. Okay, ELEVEN 11, and we have 12, where, remember, we. Okay, we have where, to where, well, not just where, to where, okay. So we have 12, 11, 12. I don't know if you can see the board very well. We have TWELVE 12, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12. Okay, so from here to this point, we usually have some confusion. So it is very important that you master how these are spelled, because sometimes when you pronounce them and write them out, their meaning tends to sound different from their pronunciation. Okay, that is why it is very important that you master it to this point. Now from 13 to 19, we are going to be ending it with the TEEN. I don't know if you understand it. The TEEN. Let's see how it works. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 10, but the next word we're going to be starting with, we already have 1 and 2, so we start with 3, and we want to write 13. How do we write 13? Now right here we have this is, remember I taught you guys the THI, THA, THE, THO, THU, the to. So we have te. This is the te. Okay, I taught you guys about this. This is te. Okay, and 13. We have this to be 13. 13. 13. All right. 14. We have 4. FOR This one right here, we have a silent U, but when writing further, once this doubles, that is right here it is single. Once it moves from 4 to 14, 40, whatever the figure is, as long as it is double, this is the 4 that comes to play. We eliminate the U. Okay, so we have 4, and the addition of 10 will give us 14. 14. 14. All right, again we have 5, so we're gonna have FIF instead of FIV, and this E as well is eliminated, so we're gonna have 15. Okay, remember 10, TEEN, the 10, we have 15, 15, 14, 13. Okay, so we have 13, 14, 15. So it moves on like that. We have 6, we have 10, we have 7, we have 17, as well as the 8, we have 18. Okay, so it goes like that. We have 19, and that is it. So the next place you're going to change now is when it gets to 20. The 2, when. Now looking here, we have 2, the L, and this is N. 20. Okay, 20. Alright, now begins the TY. Okay, now from here we're gonna work with this particular plural form. Right here they were single numbers, 3, 4, 5. Once it becomes double, that is, they have something like 14 is like this, it has 1 and 2, it is double. 15 is like this, it is double. 16 is like this, so it goes on. Now with the 20, some of the letters that actually change here to the plural form will work here, but the only difference now is going to be the 10. Okay, this 10 will no longer be here but TY. Okay, this thing here is for 14, 15, 16 to 19. Okay, but now we are shifting side. In this thin part, we have 1 coming first before the next figure, but right here we're going to have 2 coming before the next figure, but there are still 2 figures. Okay, so we have 20. 20 is 2 and 0 like this. Okay, when we have 21, we're still going to have 20. Okay, and we have 1. Okay, this is going to appear like this, 21. Okay, so this is how we're going to move for 30, 40, 50, 60 until we get to 90. We stop before we enter 100. So we have 30, we pick the T here, we have the THIR, the T, and we add the TY, we have 30. As well as 4, we have the 4, we add the TY, we have 40. We have the Phi, we add the TY, we have 50. We have the 6, we add the TY, we have 60. We have 7, addition of TY, we have 70. Okay, we have the 8. The 8 already has T, so we just add Y and it becomes 80. So it goes on like that. We have NINE, we add TY, we have 90. All right, now we are about to change again to 100. Now 100 has 3 figures, so we change from here. So we have Hon, this is Hon. We have the Dred, 100, 100, HUN, Hon, DRED, dread. So put together we have 100. Okay, and we move to 1,000. Okay, we actually taught this as well, Tau, and we have sand, 1,000. We equally have million. Okay, million. We have as well billion. All right, billion. Okay, so we move on. We have billion. We have as well trillion. Okay, 100, 1,000, million, billion, trillion. All right, so this actually makes up all the figures you can actually write anywhere, anytime. These are actually the spelling. What is now left here is for you to know how to combine them properly. For instance, you want to write 38. 38. You now come here, this is 30. You pick your 30 right here. Okay, this is 30 and you add your 8. Exactly, you have 38 in words. Okay, you want to write maybe 400, not 400. 400, you have your 4. This is 4, we have 100. Okay, I don't know if you got the gist. 400, this is 400. Okay, you want to write 4,000, you have 4 and you have your 1,000. Okay, so that is how it works. 4 with the zeros, that makes it 4,000. Okay, this 0 actually is what is pronounced as 1,000. This double 0 here is what we pronounce as 100. The triple 0 is the 1,000. Whatsoever that comes here is a single figure, unless you have 40 something. Maybe you can say 40,000 naira. 40,000. You can say this is 40 and you add your 1,000. This is what it is. So you have 40. Can you see it is not just single? 40. We have your 1,000 added. This 30 is representing 1,000. This double 0 is representing 100. Then you want to go for million. You will have your 6 zeros. Okay, 60 actually represent million. The 30 represent 1,000. The double 0 actually represent 100. So the next time you want to write any figure at all, remember this magic. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we come to this side, we have 11. 11. 11. 11. 12. We have 2 when. This is well. This is when. 12. 20. This is V. Okay, we have 12, we have 20. All right, it is very important that you master the spellings of 12, 11, 20. When we get to 12, the next thing we use is the TEN to go from 13 to 19. Okay, another change you should observe is that these 3 actually changes to this, 4 to this, 5 to this, 6, 7, 8, 9 remain the same with the addition of 10 double numbers. Okay, and right here we started with 20, so we focus on the TY right here. We have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and when we get to 100 it changed. This is the spelling for 100 and this is for 1,000, million, billion, trillion. Okay, now we have different currencies. For Nigeria we use naira, and for Americans we use dollar. We still have the euro. Okay, as well we have pounds. All right, different countries of the world actually have their own currency. Okay, so you can actually put yours if yours is not among the few I mentioned here. All right, and this is where I'm going to be calling it short for today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here what we do is we learn how to read, write and speak, and currently we are trying spellings. Okay, so if you have difficulties, we have challenges when it comes to spelling, words, spelling whatever. Like today we focus on spelling numbers in words. You can actually join us simply by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn your notification bell, because that's the only guaranteed way you get a quick notification whenever I post a new video. Don't forget, you are amazing. Keep staying safe. See you in our next class, and bye for now.